Today we are talking about the three great wealth creation mountains. The investment mountain, the real estate mountain, the marketing mountain. Off of each mountain flows streams of income. There are 3 streams for the investment mountain, 3 streams for the real estate mountain, and 4 streams for the marketing mountain. Note, it is important to select streams from all 3 money mountains: stock market, real estate, marketing a product, service, or information that you have or can create. Why? Because you need security. If you lose a stream, it's always nice to have another one. Opportunity. If you have several lines in the water, you have a much greater chance of catching a fish. In terms of the investment streams, the first is long-term index funds. Second is hot mutual funds, high-yielding. Third is high profits and low-cost options. Note, most of your money in the stock market should be in the index funds. It's lower risk. Long-term vehicles, you should have most of your money there. At least half of your liquidity should be there. 30% of your liquidity should be in high-flying mutual funds. 20% of your money should be in options. This can be a very exciting setup. As a rule of thumb, to sell a stock and get a check cut is usually T+3, or today, +3 days. Invest in S&P 500 index funds. Why? Because it's smart. A. Over the last 75 years, S&P 500 index funds have done about 11% interest per year through wars, depressions, and all kinds of collapses. B. In the last 10 years, the S&P 500 index fund has done about 17.5% interest per year. In other words, leave it there for a long time. It's also a great place for your Roth. S&P 500 Index Fund, 500 equates to 500 of the best companies in the world. You'll be okay. Own all 500 of them. Some will go up, some will go down, but generally speaking, they will get bigger and better, fatter and richer. High-yield mutual funds are the hottest mutual funds. For example, go to Morningstar.com and click on the left-hand side. Click the button that says Fund Quick Rank. Select the All Fund category. There are 10,000 mutual funds to choose from. It will give you the period of time. Click the 10-year annualized return. It will give you a list of 40 mutual funds and what they have done per year over the last 10 years. Nothing will have done less than 20%. Some will have done at least 40%. Use your common sense as your guide to know which ones may be good in 10 years. That is, electronics should be a good choice. Some funds may be a load fund, which means you have to put a 3% load to get the stock. Some funds are a no load. The point is, these are pretty good to select from. Options, they are the way to get leverage in the stock market. Read a book on this by Dr. Cooper. He's an ex-chiropractor who spent his life studying stock options to make big money after he had a terrible accident to his back. It has great knowledge to learn from. He had to live on the stock market for food and living. So he knows how. You will never be rich by a salary or a 40-year job. Find who is doing what you want and follow in their footsteps. To the letter, that is, millionaire. Just do what the millionaire tells you to do, and it won't take long. If you want to be with the elephants, you simply need to follow the tracks. Elephants leave big tracks. When it comes to real estate, follow this piece of advice. One guy's first flip was a little duplex, and he only had $1,500 to his name. He asked his mentor if he should buy the duplex, and his mentor said this: if you lose, you make a mistake, you get up. And if you lose, you get up again. Do another one, until finally you strike it. For 6 months, he worked with his mentor. His mentor didn't pay a lot, but the knowledge was worth it. He made $6,000 in 4 days, flipping the house and property. Buy and hold. foreclosures and flippers, tax lines and certificates. These are power tools. Stock market will get you there. Real estate will get you there, but do all to get there. Buy and hold at least one property per year. Flip at least one property per year. Have some money in tax lien certificates as well. Locate a motivated seller. When you buy a house with no money down, you get cash back. You get all the rents and deposits. Nothing down and cash back. For example, John and Sarah got a brand new loan of $480,000 for a 10-unit complex. The seller carried back a second mortgage of $120,000. The purchase price was $600,000. Where was the down payment for this? Normally, a bank would require a 20% down payment. 20% down payment was $120,000. He got the seller to take back a seller financing second mortgage instead of a $120,000 down payment. How would a bank let that go through? You have to ask the bank a few special questions to ask to have a bank even consider this kind of deal. Over the next 90 days, the mentor wants you to write out 100 offers. Realtors and banks will turn you down, and people too. But just write the darn offers and forget what people tell you. Just get real offers in front of real sellers. The only knowledge you need is the knowledge of knowing and to believe that you can do it. You can flip a house after you buy it in less than 30 days. Infopreneuring, network marketing, licensing, internet, infopreneuring, information entrepreneur, not publishing, but selling information. Right now, locked inside your head, is information that people would be willing to pay you for. What do you know that I'd like to know? What kind of information would you like to sell? You're good at something, right? Sell your knowledge. Run an ad in the newspaper or online classified. Meet with people and give a seminar. Unlock and let the information out of your head and get paid for it. If you're going to carry it around, you might as well make some money with it. I've written a fantastic guide for this information I'd like to give you for free. Simply comment below, "Send me the guide," and I will send you the link to download the Millionaire Blueprint. Thank you for listening. If you've gotten this far, then you certainly are on the path to become financially free. If you like the content of this video I put together for you, give me a like to show me so. And perhaps I will expand in another video and go into more valuable details. While you're here, subscribe and leave a comment about what your favorite investing strategy is, and I will see you on the next video.